In the palm of our hand, we hold a universe, a gateway to knowledge, connection, and creation. But before the pixels glow, before the touch responds, there is a symphony of microscopic engineering. Today, we reveal the unseen assembly of a smartphone, the digital universe. In miniature. First, the brain, the logic board. This impossibly intricate circuit board holds the soul of the phone. At its heart, the processor, a marvel of silicon, capable of billions of operations per second. Every connection, every microscopic trace is a pathway for pure digital intelligence. Now we give it senses. The sophisticated camera modules, a testament to optical engineering, capture our world in stunning detail. Tiny sensors act as its eyes and ears, detecting light, movement, and even your presence, allowing the phone to truly perceive its surroundings. To interact with this universe, we build the interface. The stunning display panel, a window to digital realms, responds to our touch with lightning speed. Beneath it, a haptic engine provides subtle vibrations, giving tangible feedback to our every interaction. This is where the digital becomes physical, finally the lifeblood. A high-density battery powers this miniature world, keeping it running for hours. With the last connections secured, the back panel is precisely sealed, protecting the delicate ecosystem within. The physical assembly is complete, from countless components to a singular powerful device. This is the digital universe, awakened. If you are captivated by this intricate process, hit that like button and subscribe for more unseen assemblies of engineering marvels. What tiny giant should we build next?